morning. Today I'm going to go over BTC USD. I review and my thought process for this week. Today is 12th March 2023. Today is Sunday morning, 6:26 a.m. Nigerian time. It's me again, this is talking to you from Nigeria. So let's just look at BTC. The video will be really brief. It won't be more than 7 minutes. So let's start. So BTC USD, BTC USD. Okay. So looking at BTC USD from the weekly time. Looking at BTC USD from the weekly time. You know, I saw to market did something last year on August 15, 2022. This was the highest they had, like the recent high. Then this year around February 20, market tested that high 2 times. Tested it on 13th February and tested it on 20th February again on weekly time frame. So I map out those highs that market respected and the base of the highs, So I marked it because it's a very strong area, especially this place. If you look at this place, we notice that market tested it. So it's a strong area. Now looking at market structure on this time frame, BTC is bearish because we just broke this zone here. And this zone is area of support and resistance. If you look at it, it's not just a resistance or a support, but it's a zone, a valid zone at that. So looking ahead, we see I just marked it with a line. This is the resistance and this is a support. I now put this box, just mark them. So this will be a very strong area that market might come back to retest. But this weekly candle have not been. So this weekly candle might close around 12 p.m. today. So we see what happens, what we have. So this is for weekly time frame. Our point of interest on this weekly time frame is this zone here. Market might come back to retest it and form a lower high because we have a lower low here already. So we go down to daily time frame. Remember what I said in weekly, the market will come here to form a lower high, and if you want to sell, you should be looking to take a sell at a lower high. So on daily time frame, as you can see, it's too clear that we are bearish. We are bearish on lower time frame. Market have formed this lower low. So market will come up here, though we have a zone here. Have a very strong zone here because this is area of support, resistance, support. So market might come here and retest. By this zone, market might come up here. What am I doing? Market might come up here. Where is that? Okay. So market might come up here. Then I reverse. So we see what will happen. But my point of interest is on this week. So this place is solid. So whenever market comes here, we see what market does. Then we know how we can take our decision. But for now, nothing to do, nothing much to do there. Then on 4-hour time frame, there is nothing much happening on 4 hours. There is nothing much happening on 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is just is bearish, totally bearish. Then market was trying to break this zone. If market can break, 4-hour mark, we turn uptrend, be bullish on 4 hours. We are just bearish on weekly, bearish on daily, bearish on 4 hour. So what we should be looking for is potentially a sell. So we'll be looking at this zone. Then I think I'm missing something. Let me go back. So this weekly time frame, looking at this place also, looking at this place. So, this is a pattern analysis that we're trying to do. So let's just take everything into consideration. So this zone, we see there is a lot of bits here. And this place is area of resistance, support. So this is a strong zone. I just marked it with this. So 19,362 market will respect that zone so well. And then I mark this area of resistance. This is the resistance, very strong. The market came here, reversed, and made this big move. The market touched today again and made this. When market even wanted to start this fish, it came up there and it rejected it. So this is just what I want to call our attention on. So our point of interest, 17,681 and 19,362. It's a very important result to look at. So we go straight to 30 minutes time, lower time frame, see what's happening, what's going on over there. On 30 minutes time frame, which is where I normally take my entries. I take my entries at this. So our weekly time frame, we are having this bullish divergence. We are having this bullish divergence. Market was coming down here. RSI was going up, and this is our last lower high before this divergence here. So market have taken it out, telling us that we have had a change of trend. And market is still consolidating inside this box. There is no price action yet, but confirmed that this market wants to go. So what I will be looking at is to take a trade whenever I see a valid price action set. I remember what I told you on weekly. I don't know whether you still remember. This is a weekly zone. This place. Let me show you that place again. I remind you because I know you might have forgotten what I said before. Okay, what I said before is that what I said before on this weekly time frame is that we have broken this last higher low on weekly, right? And what I'm expecting is for market to come back here and retest. And if you look at this Fibonacci, we see that my negative 61 is just pointing exactly at that zone. And that zone will form a lower high on weekly time frame, which will confirm our sell setup if we see wonderful price action at lower time frame. So let's continue. So I'm still on 30 minutes time frame. Still on 30 minutes time frame, we have this. So at 30 minutes time frame, this is what we are looking at now. Market have broken, retested 78.65 level and moved. We have another entry here. We're supposed to enter this engulf. We have another entry here, though. This is a zone. This is a very wonderful zone. This is where I would have entered a trade. This is a very wonderful zone. And this thing happened around what time? We trade mostly on a good time frame, on a good time session. So this thing happened around 7 p.m. So look at this zone. This is a zone. This is support. This is resistance. This is resistance. This place now, market formed these doji. These two doji showed us that market wants to move. So Our best entry should have been at the 50% of this bullish candle. We just mark it, you know. Our first entry should have been here. Just enter the trade. Where's my long? So what I will be expecting for next week. So this is a missed trade anyways, but we will still wait for another entry because this is our weekly zone and to put your stop loss. Since this thing happened at 38 fib level, you just put your stop loss at this 50 fib level. So, just put your stop loss. So this is how the trade should have, but but we have missed the trade because the trade is moving already. The trade is moving already. So let me delete this. So what I will be waiting for is for market to come to this zone again and give me a price action. This zone, let me delete this zone. If market comes to this zone again and give me a nice price action, I will take it back. Or if market break this box and give me a good price action, I will long it. So this is what I'm waiting for. Anytime this happens, so I will set alarm. Once market touches it, let me put my alarm. Once market let me just leave it at crossing so that once market touches, I will see the trade. Oh, I think I cannot see it, but it's sure I will just be watching it. Once market comes, I'm going to take it. So guys, we have come to the end of this. Thank you, and here I have wonderful. Bye.